Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome guys. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually grow your eyebrow using natural remedy. Now this remedy is in two ways. You're going to be scrubbing and you're going to be applying. Like, I'm going to be telling you all of this and showing you all of this in the video. Okay, so if you want to know all of this, please stay put and thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's go. To grow eyebrow, we're going to be needing two steps to grow your eyebrow. The first step is going to be to scrub your eyebrow, because there are some insects in your eyebrow that is actually not making your eyebrow grow really healthy, and this insect also affects your skin. So using baking soda to scrub is going to be effective. Yeah, so what we're going to do is that we're going to grab, we don't need too much. You don't need too much, yeah. So we're going to be taking just a little quantity of baking soda, and then also we're going to be needing to use lemon. This is alcohol lemon, guys. Okay, it works so much in scrubbing out the skin, and it also brightens up the skin. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be cutting just a little of this lemon, and then squeeze just a little quantity in here, just a little quantity. Okay, so we now have our pastes. Okay guys, when it comes to scrubbing, we equally need some sugar, guys. Okay, now because sugar contains a smaller granular particles, it will help to scrub out the dead skin cells and also help to grow your eyebrow. So we're going to be putting in just a little bit of sugar, and then we would be mixing this up. And yeah guys, we don't need it to be too liquid. Yeah, okay, now the sugar in it is going to make the consistency really good. Now for the oil, because you need to apply an oil on the skin to be able to, grow your eyebrow. So what we're going to use is aloe vera, and in this aloe vera you need the 100% gel. Now for this, you can either also use your natural aloe vera if you have, okay, but I decided to use this particular one because I want to use this one. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be pumping out, and then I'm going to be putting it into the small red bowl. Now because I'm not going to be needing too much, that's why I actually put it here. So the next thing we're going to be needing is vitamin E oil. Okay, vitamin E oil is very essential for the skin, for the eyebrow, and for the eyelashes also. It helps so much in growing your eyebrows. So we're going to be putting just a little quantity of this. Okay, so after that We're equally going to be using just a little bit of rose water. Now that is actually very helpful, okay, because we're going to be scrubbing out the hair at that place, so that's why we need rose water to replenish it, okay. And then we put in just a few drops and we stir this all up. Okay, so this is how it is right now, which is actually very good. So this is our eyebrow cream, and while this is our eyebrow scrub. So let's go and scrub. Let me show you how you're going to be achieving this. Yeah, so guys, this is the scrub and this is the oil, okay, for your eyebrow. Okay, so this is how my eyebrow is right now, and I'm going to be using this to just apply on my eyebrow. The scrub more especially, so you apply it that way. Okay, just like that. Alright, just like that. Okay. Okay, so when you're done applying it, you're gonna leave it for a little while. Yeah, you rock with it, and then now what you do is to scrub it back to front to back, like that, just like this. Scrub it so that it could remove all of those, you know, thing hiding there, and making your eyebrow not grow really well. Okay, so after which you have scrub it, which is actually very necessary, you scrub just like that. Then you have to then wash it off. So I'll wash mine off and I'll be right back to apply the lotion, which is this. Okay guys, so after which you've scrubbed, look at that. The thing is that when I scrub mine, my skin is gonna become red, but it's perfect. So this is the lotion you're going to use. Yeah, you're going to use this lotion and then you're going to apply it onto your eyebrow, just like that. Okay, so what you do after you've applied it, you have to rub it in a circular motion so that the oil gets into the follicles of the hair in your eyebrow area, just like this. Kind of massaging and giving it a little massage. Okay, so after which you've applied, then you have to leave it, let the lotion stay there and do the job. Okay, it's gonna stay there to grow your eyebrow. Do this for about 2 to 3 weeks and you're gonna see that, like, if you are so determined to grow your eyebrow, you're going to see that your eyebrow is going to be full and the texture is going to be thicker. Yeah, so try that out and there's no harm in trying. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's it. The first thing you scrub, you really scrub out all of those stuff that's preventing your eyebrow from growing really long, and then you apply the lotion and you're good. So repeat this as often as you can, you know, just like I told you in the video, and your skin or your eyebrow is gonna be growing really well. So that's it guys. If you do love this video, please thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you soon. Bye guys, and stay beautiful, and ciao ciao.